Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to stop Instagram from tracking your activity. Want more privacy on Instagram? Here's how to limit tracking and protect your data. First, you need to turn off your active status. For that, you need to open your Instagram. In bottom right corner, you will see a profile icon. Click on that. In right corner, you will see three lines. Click on three lines and search active status on your search bar. Click on show activity status. Turn off your activity status. For more security, click on settings, scroll down and click on apps. Find your Instagram, click on Instagram and turn off your local network, microphone, camera, live activity, location, everything, and this stops Instagram from showing others when you are online. That's all for today's video. If you like this video, please like, subscribe for future videos like this. Thank you.